Lovers' Day on May 1st. While May Day is generally a public holiday in the Czech Republic, it's also traditionally Lovers' Day. Couples, especially in Prague, often go to Petrin Hill and kiss under a blossoming cherry tree, believed to bring good luck in love for the year. This tradition is linked to a famous Czech romantic poem by Karel Hynek Mácha, More, May. Barborky, St. Barbara's Day. On December 4th, young, unmarried women cut a cherry branch from a tree that is at least 10 years old. If the branch blossoms by Christmas Eve, it is believed the woman will marry in the coming year. This is a quiet, hopeful pre-Christmas ritual. The Golden Gate of St. Vitus Cathedral, often overlooked in the grandeur of St. Vitus Cathedral at Prague Castle, is its magnificent, Golden Gate. This southern portal, adorned with intricate mosaics depicting the Last Judgment, was historically the ceremonial entrance for Bohemian kings and queens and is one of the most stunning examples of medieval art in the country.